Folks, we're going to do another quick walk around of our 2013 Hemi Charger. I don't think I've done a video since we put the decal stripe package on this car. Getting a little bit dark this evening, but hopefully it shows up pretty good. The same package that we put on our 2008 Crown Vic patrol car, and I think it looks just as good or maybe even better on this car. These cars have such an aggressive style anyway. This looks good, I think, on this one, probably better than it does on the Crown Vic. Again, this is the 2013 V8 Hemi Charger. We purchased this from the Missouri Highway Patrol a couple of years ago. Really, it's been a good car. We haven't had any issues really with it. Nothing major. I'm trying to think. I think we replaced the reservoir box. I can't recall this right offhand what we've done to it, but it hadn't been a whole lot done to it. It's been pretty reliable. It's got around 70,000, probably just under 70,000 miles on it now. Yeah, it was a coolant reservoir box, I think is what they replaced, because it was, we were getting a little antifreeze smell inside, and I think the reservoir box, they said somehow had gotten a crack in it, but they replaced that, took care of that. We've had a wheel speed sensor, I think, put on it right after we got it. And the power steering was, what's the steering on these things, notorious for having issues, but we were having a little trouble with the steering on it. And that turned out just needed to be refilled with fluid. I'm going to turn the lights on too, get the full effect of this. See how they show up on here. Let's see. Get the front lights to come on. They didn't come on. I may have not hit the switch. There we go. I think it's it. We should have all the lights on. We should just have everything on one switch, but some of these lights on this car are a deeper blue. But what I'm talking about is the ones in the grille, and then the ones down around along the rocker panels. Those came from a different company. We ordered those from a company down in Florida, and they're really cool and they're really good lights. Like the one right behind the door B-pillar. They're cool lights. They're just a deeper blue than the other lights. The little one around the license plate come from them. I can't remember the name of the company right now, but maybe it's G2 lighting or something like that. I don't know. We'll look it up and see, and maybe I'll put a link to them in the description. But anyway, their lights are pretty good. We haven't had, I don't think we've had any issues. That top left grill light has got a couple LEDs. They're still flashing, but they're not as bright as the other one. And then I noticed on the side here, rocker panel lights look like they're doing right. They're doing good. But this side light here, two of the top LEDs are burned out on it. Of course, we've had these lights on here now for, I don't know, 3 or 4 years or something like that. I don't know, time gets away from me. But anyway, overall, all the lights on this car have held up pretty well. Anyway, guys, there she is with the blue on black police decals on it. I think it looks pretty good. Comment, let us know what you think. Thanks for watching.